Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the rmdir command. So if you want to delete any directory, so you have to use this command, okay? But you have to remember that rmdir command only allows you to delete the empty directories, okay? So you cannot delete the directory which has the content inside it, alright? Okay, so first of all, I have opened up the terminal, alright? So now I also have to open up the file manager. So now I just want to delete this newly corrected directory, that's it. So for that, first of all, I have to go into the another directory. Okay, so I'm gonna write cd directory, alright. So we are inside the another directory. So I want to see the path, alright. And I want to see the files or the content inside the another directory. Okay, so I just want to delete this newly corrected directory. So for that, I'm gonna write the rmdir. Okay, now I have to write the name of the directory which I want to delete, but you have to make sure that it must be an empty directory. Okay, so as you can see here that we have nothing inside the newly corrected directory. Okay, so I'm gonna write its name, okay, and hit the enter and it will delete the directory. Okay, so this is how you use the rmdir command, and this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.